Hello students, welcome to class. I'm just going to warn you that you're about to see something that might upset you. I mean, of course, right now you are seeing a beautiful dog and a little kitten, and you're probably thinking to yourself, this is very cute. What could possibly go wrong? Well, you know, some people in the world eat pigs, like you probably do. You probably eat bacon and sausage and ham and pepperoni and salami, right? So how do these animals end up in your stomach and in your intestines? Well, somebody has to cut them up into pieces and put them on a styrofoam tray and wrap them in plastic and put them in a grocery store, right? Of course, you could be vegan and never ever eat animals again, but the vast majority of you make fun of vegans and think that we're the crazy ones for wanting to protect animals. Each time that you eat a pig, this is a 6-month-old pig, still a baby, who is murdered in a gas chamber in the same way that the Nazis murdered the Jews in World War II. It's a terrible way to die. It's extremely painful. But no matter how you kill an animal who wants to live, it's always wrong. There's no right way to do the wrong thing, right? What happens every time you eat bacon, sausage, ham, salami, or pepperoni, and you're eating a pig, is that in the industry, the mothers are raped, they're forced to be pregnant, and they're put in tight, confined places where they can't even turn around. Imagine a huge pig in a place like a bathtub who can never turn around even after her babies are born. She can't really see them. She can't greet them. She can never play with them. And they will never be able to go outside and see the sun and feel the warmth of it in the wind. But not only that, when the pigs are born, if there's one that is small, the farmer, who's actually more of a harmer, picks up the baby pig by the hind legs, lifts the pig up over his head, and as quickly and violently as he can, smashes the baby pig's head onto the cement floor. And then there's blood there, and the baby pig dies, shaking. A brand new baby pig murdered because he's considered to be useless, because he's too small, and he will never grow up to be big enough to be sold in a store, in a plastic wrapper, in a styrofoam tray. One of these kittens is considered to be too small, and somebody will pick up the kitten from the back legs and smash him on the floor, not on the soft carpet, but on the cement floor, to end his life, because he's too small. How does that make you feel? Do you want to watch that? Do you want to see that happen? I don't. If somebody was coming to hurt me and I was in the body of one of these little kittens, I would want somebody to save me, in the same way as if I was born into the body of a little pig, or a little cow, or a little chicken, or a little turkey, or a little lamb. The great news is that we don't really have to hurt any of these animals. The great news is that all of us can protect them. All of us can choose to eat thousands of other foods. We don't have to kill any pigs, chickens, cats, dogs, turkeys, fish, lambs, or anyone. But since so many of you eat animals and you pay for them to be murdered, You pay for their mothers to be tied up and forced to be pregnant year after year. I'm sure you won't mind seeing an animal die here today. It probably won't bother you one bit, because after all, you see them dead on your plates all the time. So I'm sorry to do this, but you're about to see it. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes right now. One of these babies will be picked up and smashed into the ground because he is considered to be too little. 1, 2, 3.